drinking Dr. Pepper right now.
That's exactly
Why-
right.
why-
That stuff is good. It's got sugar in it, and two doctors have told me that if I drink it, I will die. But they died first.
All right, we got the Hale boys here,
Yep.
Porter and Hudson, and they're gonna do the hot Dr. Pepper.
Yep.
You ever had a hot Dr. Pepper?
We have
No,
not.
have not.
What about a Dr. Pepper is in the bottle that wasn't cool?
Yeah.
Be a warm Dr. Pepper, I guess, right?
No? I mean, a little warm, like room temperature.
Yeah, room temperature, yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
but not out of a,
Not hot.
not hot. Well, we're gonna try this. It's an old recipe from the 60s.
Sounds good.
I've got a pan to heat it in, a couple of mugs to drink it out of. It's always served with sliced, super thin lemon slices. The lemon and the rind and everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go ahead and put mine in here.
Sounds good.
I get two because I got a bigger cup.
Hey, you're getting more than us.
I know, I am, right? All right, y'all ready?
Yes.
I'm ready.
All right, who's operating the Dr. Pepper?
I'll do the Dr. Pepper.
All right,
You better change me seats then.
No, that's okay.
just hand it off to your brother and he can turn the pot on. And so you're gonna take one Dr. Pepper,
Which one is it? This one?
no, that there, and turn it to high,
High?
high, yeah. There you go.
Okay. You me dump it in
Just
here?
dump it in the pan. Oh, didn't I meant to tell you not to pour fast.
Oh, okay.
No, I'm just
Sorry
kidding.
about that.
I'm just pulling you later. Bubble and trouble.
Okay.
So once that comes to, you just want to heat it up, not boiling. You'll be able to see little bubbles coming from the bottom that you know it's heated up around the edge.
Okay.
And I don't know what they didn't use a thermometer back in the day. Just didn't tell it's heated.
Yep.
Don't need
Nothing.
no thermometers around here.
Nothing crazy. Got your cups. Once you fill your cups up, Porter, you can take one slice of
Lemon.
lemon and put it in on top of the Dr. Pepper.
All right.
You can put me some in my glass there.
Yeah, some Dr. Pepper in here.
Yep.
Sounds good.
All right. All right. Turn it off.
May I pull it off?
Now you can just leave it sitting there. Just get you. Can you going to be able to pour it in your coffee cups?
Yeah, I think
All right.
so.
I'll throw the lemon on top.
Yeah.
I think I can pour it in there.
If you spill some, don't worry about it.
Okay.
All right. I've got a measuring cup. If you want to put it in it.
Yeah, that'd be a little easier.
See it right there?
Make it a little fair.
Yeah, you can put it. You can pour it in the measuring cup. Just set it down first. I don't want you to pour it on your
Wait, let me
hand.
set this down.
There you go. How many ounces is that going to be?
There's a little bit more.
That's all of it.
15, 16 ounces. It's supposed to be 16-ounce bottles. We'll make sure they didn't lie to us.
No.
Did they?
No, it's 16 ounces.
Good.
All right. Put that in your coffee mug.
I'll throw some lemons on top.
Yeah. Let it sit there for a minute and
Cool off.
yeah, and pour.
Don't be scared of it. Just a Dr. Pepper. It's 300 degrees.
It's probably there was so much of it in there.
Yeah, maybe so.
You throw a lemon in.
Yeah, put a little bit.
What you think?
A little bit more.
Give them the rest.
No, it's I'll share the rest of it.
Take it.
You got any in your pan left?
No.
All right. Got your lemon in there?
Yeah, I got my lemon in. You want my hand in yours?
No, I just want to see y'all. Make sure you got your lemon. Then which side did you put the lemon up on? The sunny side up or the sunny side down?
Can't fool
Preferably
me with
sunny
that
side
one.
up.
All
Sunny
right.
side down.
All right, try it and see what you think. Are y'all ready?
Yes.
Try it out.
Try it. Don't burn your lips.
That's good. It's got a nice little lemon taste.
It's warm, but it's good.
Yeah,
It's
that's
good?
Awesome.
Yeah.
Tastes like y'all are Dr. Pepper fans anyway.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is a little bit different on a cold day.
Yeah. Probably so.
I drink it.
Yeah,
You want me to give
very
you
good.
yours?
Yeah, hand me mine here. Thank you, sir.
Oh, of course. Tell us how we did.
Let's try this. Got the good smell to it.
Yes.
It's a little warm.
That's good.
How we do?
It's good. Y'all did great.
Yeah, it's very good.
You poured good. Throw the right side of the lemon right up, sunny side up.
Yep.
Make sure you didn't pour the bottle in too quick.
Yeah, it won't taste no good.
Well, that's really good. It'd be great on a cold,
It would
cold,
be,
wet
yeah.
day like today.
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad y'all liked it.
Yes, it's
You
awesome.
go home. Does your mom and dad drink Dr. Pepper?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, you can tell them you got a new drink for the winter time.
Yeah.
We'll have to make it for him.
Yeah. If you think you can remember how to make it, it's the deal.
Yeah, I
It's
think
pretty,
so.
it's pretty tricky.
It's
Yeah,
pretty
it-
hard, but
I know, but I bet you can do it.
oh, I bet
Yeah.
we can. If not, we'll just watch the video and learn.
There you go.
Exactly.
Well, it does have a good smell to it.
Mm-hmm.
Nice air freshener.
The last time I had it was probably early 1970s in Bachman Lake.
Really?
Y'all probably don't know where Bachman Lake is
Nope.
in Dallas.
So
But
about right when I was born.
yeah, like 1970.
Yep.
You're right. About when your mom wasn't even born in 1970.
No, oh my
was
dad.
it?
No.
But anyway, they used at Christmas time. Dr. Pepper would be put on this big festival down there, and
Yeah.
they'd always have big boiling pots of this and lemons,
Really?
and give you free cups walking around. Good advertising for the. So.
It's pretty good stuff.
Yeah.
It sure is. Definitely pretty good.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Boy, your hair looks kind of like this lemon. Y'all are matching.
I know.
Yep.
All right. Well, we're going to get out of here.
Yeah.
See y'all on the next video. Let these boys drink their hot Dr. Pepper.
Subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when the next video drops.
All right.
Yep.
Did your brother tell you right?
I don't know, maybe.
Okay.
Never know with this fool.
All right. See y'all later.